Hello and welcome back to our channel again. So today I'm going to share what you need to cope up with our Python tutorials in VS Code. So basically you need to check two things. First of all, we are going to check whether Python is correctly installed onto our system, and the other thing is we are going to check if we have the actual needed extensions in VS Code to perform. So let me open my terminal, or you can open anything like the command prompt. So it will load. Let me magnify a bit. So you just type in, let me make it fit the screen. So just type in Python, then space, then hyphen, then version. So it will show you the version you're actually having onto your system. So now for me, I'm having this is 3.1, 3.7 installed onto my system. Then if that is done, we are going to turn VS Code into an IDE. Remember, VS Code is just a code editor, and the code editor is something like a place where you just go and write your code without any code highlighting, code suggestion, and autocomplete. So look at a code editor like a non-self contained house where you have to do everything manually. So if you're interested in taking a bath, you have to move outside and do everything from there. But now, when it comes to an IDE, it's an integrated development environment whereby it's like a self-contained house whereby you do everything from inside. Like if you're interested in taking a bath, you do it from inside. But what makes it more special, it's like, remember what makes the self-contained house more perfect and special is that it has those extra functionalities that are already inside it. So if you're interested in taking a bath, it will be supported by either bathroom inside that house. So now an IDE will help us in error detections, code highlighting, and code suggestion. So in order to make VS Code our IDE, we shall need extensions. So look at extensions like tools to add in more extra functionalities to our code editor. So let me open our VS Code. Let me just get this further and drag it onto VS Code. So it will open. So basically inside our VS Code we need only two extensions to run Python perfectly. So I'll just come here. So right now I'm not connected to the internet, but if you connected, when you search Python, you get this extension. So from exactly, let me go back. So I'll come here where on the left on this menu, so we see extension. You can take Ctrl Shift X on Windows. So I'll click here, then I'll search for Python, then I'll come exactly install this, the one from Microsoft. So when you install this, it will install automatically all these three. So it will install the Python debugger, Pylance, and the Python environments. Then after that, you install this code runner. So it's all about you type in code, then runner. So you have to install this. Then after installing that, how will you know that it's actually working? It's all about we test by a Python file. So let me just create one. So let me call this one index.py. Then let me zoom in a little bit. Let me go to settings. Then let me try making everything bigger. Alright, so let's go back. So when I try printing something, so first of all we are seeing that it's being highlighted, but actually they are still loading some extensions in the background. So automatically when I try closing the brackets, they will be closed automatically for me. Then this is what we call Pylance. It's like suggesting for you everything. So if you to do print again, they will automatically suggest for you, do you want to print? So they will like provide that automatic suggestion, so you don't have to code a lot. So if I just press enter, I'll also get a print. Now the other thing with the code runner, it's all about here where you see this run button, so you can run your code exactly from here without having to go through this process of going to the terminal everywhere. So you can run it from here. Then the other thing is there will be error detection. So if I remove this, automatically it will be underlined somewhere. Then you see that the file will become red from here and even from here. So they will tell you you're having an error in this file. So basically that's what I had for you today. Make sure that you hit that notification bell, subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed for more tutorials. Thank you.